Hello friends, welcome to Research Made Simple. This is Professor Krunal K. Punjani. While writing a quality research paper for the journals indexed in Scopus and ABDC, it is essential that a researcher makes an original contribution to the existing body of knowledge. Further, from the publication perspective, editorial team and reviewers of that quality journal would also emphasize on the originality aspect of the manuscript. However, many researchers would have this question in their mind that what can be considered as originality for quality research. So let us understand the concept of originality for the quality research with the help of 7 techniques. Further, just for the purpose of understanding of these 7 techniques, let us take an imaginary example of a broader research topic, advertising effectiveness. The first technique is provide new information with empirical support. This can include a completely new concept or new constructs in your research area. For example, after going through several existing studies on advertising effectiveness, a researcher realizes that various studies have been done with respect to television advertising, print advertising, outdoor advertising, radio and social media advertising. So, here that researcher may consider studying the effectiveness of some new and recent form of advertisement like in-game advertisements done in the mobile gaming with empirical support through questionnaire survey method or experimental research method. The second technique is pursue an under-researched area. For this point, a researcher should first identify an under-researched area, for example, studying the effectiveness of exaggerated or puffery advertisements, and further continue this original research to determine its impact for the low involvement products. The third technique is synthesizing multiple research areas that haven't been studied together. This can include the combination of 2 or more constructs or context which have been separately studied earlier. For this, a researcher may consider analyzing the relationship between advertising effectiveness of the brand and its overall performance in the stock market for some specific period. Thus, it synthesizes 2 different aspects, that is, marketing and finance. The fourth technique is provide new geographic context. For this point, a researcher may determine that advertising effectiveness of digital platforms for the cosmetic products have been so far studied in the USA and European countries only. So that researcher may consider studying this from the perspective of India or other Asian countries. The another perspective to this technique can be where a researcher may identify that advertising effectiveness of cosmetic products have been studied with evidences from females living in the metro cities. But in the new study, researcher can bring new evidences for the same from Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities. The fifth technique is provide new interpretation for previously studied research. This technique can include interpreting some new and important context for previously studied research. For example, effectiveness of the advertisements done on various digital platforms have been already studied, but a researcher may consider interpreting how the effectiveness changes when specifically advertised through online influencers on the digital platforms. The sixth technique is provide new direction or outcomes. Under this technique, for example, a researcher determines that advertising effectiveness for the high involvement products has been majorly evaluated with respect to attitudes and purchase intentions of the consumers in the previous studies. So, the new direction or outcomes can be to study its impact on consumers' repurchase intention and product referral, which have not yet been studied, so the same can be considered by that researcher for his or her study. Finally, the seventh technique is pursue a new method for the research area that hasn't been used before. Under this technique, for example, a researcher may consider neuroimaging technique to study the advertising effectiveness of the in-game mobile advertising. So let us have a quick recap of these 7 techniques. The first technique is provide new information with empirical support. Second, pursue an under-researched area. Third, synthesizing multiple research areas that haven't been studied together. Fourth, provide new geographic context. Fifth, provide new interpretation for previously studied research. Sixth, provide new direction or outcomes. And finally, the seventh, pursue a new method for the research area that hasn't been used before. Further, while writing for the quality journals, researcher can combine multiple techniques from this list to justify the originality of his or her manuscript. My researcher friends, I hope you got some clarity on the concept of originality for the quality research paper. I would be keep on making such useful videos on several aspects of the quality research. So looking forward to see you in my next video. Thank you.